Hello.
Hello, yeah, good evening.
Yeah, good evening.
All right.
I cannot
Huh?
see you.
Oh no, I just shared the whiteboard.
Oh yeah.
Oh, you
That-
too. I can't
yeah.
see you. It's so dark there.
Oh yeah. It's my house. It's my
Uh-huh.
I'm in my car right
You're
now.
driving right now?
No, not actually,
Uh-huh.
cause I'm planning to going my home after our class. So
Oh, to
I'm
go home.
yeah, just I ready for that.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Did you just finish work?
Oh yes.
What time? You did no overtime work, huh?
I'm a software programmer.
Uh-huh.
So, software program, developing program is consuming a lot of time. So I
Yeah,
need to work overtime in
that's
Korea.
true.
But I'm a little bit punched out earlier because I have to chat with you. So,
Really, it's because of this class.
yes.
Ah, good, good. Anyway, yeah, thanks for the visit. And yeah, I'm Teacher Scar. May I know your name?
My name is Youngshik Chan, and actually,
Uh-huh.
it's our second time.
Really?
I guess. Can you remember me?
I apologize deeply. I forgot.
Yeah. My name is Youngshik Chan. So,
When was the
y-
last time we had a class?
oh, I'm not remember.
You're not really sure, huh?
Yeah, cause I had to change my teachers a lot of
Mm-hmm.
time cause of my job. So
Mm-hmm.
I need to I need to find a good time to chat with the other teachers,
Mm-hmm.
and my schedule is so what has been so erratic
Mm-hmm.
over the past months or years.
Mm-hmm.
So I can't remember when's the last time we met, but I I know it's our couple of time or second times, I think.
Mm. I see. Anyway, thanks for remembering me, and I appreciate that. And yeah, this evening, for the rest of our time, what do you want to talk about, or what do you want me to teach you?
Mm, I have some book for a
Mm-hmm.
class,
Mm-hmm.
business course. So
Okay, sure.
how about that?
Sure. What lesson or what page?
Oh, can you show me the chapter?
Sure. Okay, can you see?
Can you zoom in it?
Zoom it in. Okay.
Uh, I think lesson. Can you going down a little bit? Yes. Okay. Uh, oh, my ear side is so bad. So, mm, employees. I think we should start at lesson 13,
Okay.
and I've already passed some a little bit on that
Mm-hmm.
page.
Mm-hmm.
I think
Mhm.
we should start on page letter C.
Oh, letter C. Okay, good. Vocabulary and patterns, huh?
Yeah, can you zoom in it a little more
Are you
bigger?
using your phone?
Yes.
Ah, that's the reason. That's why it's hard for you to have a class.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, it would be recommended for a laptop at least, okay?
Okay, okay.
All right, but yeah, of course, it's understandable because you're in your car. Hold on, let me try to zoom as much as I can, okay?
Okay, that's it.
It's perfect now?
Oh,
Okay,
it's
good.
perfect.
So let's have show someone around. All right. Please read the meaning
To give someone a tour a piece
of a place. A
of a
tour
place.
of a place. All right, so that's it. To show someone, somebody around. Please use this in a sentence.
Mm, if newcomer comes to our office, I used to show him around our office.
Okay, or you don't need to say our office. You can just say show him around. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. When a newcomer comes in our office, I usually show him around. Okay. Good.
Mm,
One more sentence.
um, mm, when people in Korea bought a buy new apartment or their house, they
Hmm.
used to show them who know them show around their house.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. They used to show.
Show them who show people who are knowing them
Mhm, around.
around
I
around.
see. I
Yeah.
see. Okay. When people buy a new house or apartment, they usually show their friends and family around,
Mm,
something like
mm.
that, right? Or the people they know around, like that. They used to show the people they know around. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Good. Next one, number two. Not number two, but rather second. Let me just give a number for us to have a reference. Okay. Okay. Number one. Good. Okay. Number two.
Can you say it? You will say it.
Please read number two. The meaning.
Oh, okay. Reception area means the waiting area in an office, a hospital, near the counter where people's appointments and questions are dealt with.
Dealt with. There you go.
Mm.
Understandable. Any questions?
Yeah, I understand.
Okay, good. So the reception area. In your workplace, do you have a reception area?
I guess yes, cause my office is a little bit small, so we have a place that used to sometimes reception area or sometimes
Mm-hmm,
meeting
mm-hmm,
room.
mm-hmm.
That's it.
I see. Okay, so you have that place, and that's the very first place that you will go to when you visit or when you're a newcomer, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, good. Now use this in a sentence.
Oh, mm, let me think. Mm, reception area, reception area, reception area. If you want to if you want to check, you need to go to the reception area. How
If
about
you
that?
need to check what?
I don't know.
No, yeah, yeah. So yeah, you need to add an object. Okay, it's a transitive verb.
Mm,
Check something. Okay, so
oh,
if you need to check what?
um, check, uh,
Yeah, maybe check
uh,
any information, or if you want to check, or
check
if you want to see the
reservations.
if you want to if you want to check in. That's the word
Ah,
you're looking for.
yes, that's what I'm saying.
When you go to a hotel, right?
Ah, yes.
Yeah, check in. Okay, so what's your sentence?
If you want, if you are checking, 아니야, if you
If you
are
want to
checking
check
in,
in,
you should go to the reception area.
okay, that's it. Very good. One more sentence.
Oh, it's difficult.
No, no, you can do it. Come on.
Mm, 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 we use. the reception area
Mm-hmm.
also using a meeting room.
We also use
We also use
the reception area
the reception area
as a meeting room.
as a meeting room.
There
Oh,
you go. Right?
we also use the reception area as a meeting room.
Yes, there you go. Yeah, look at
Mm,
I think that's very true, most especially for companies with a closed reception area, right? It can be
yeah,
a meeting room. Okay,
yeah.
good. Number three, please read.
Board of directors means it is a body of elected or appointed members
Hmm.
who jointly oversee the activities of a company or organization. Mm, I think it means some oh, executives.
Executives, exactly. The
Yeah,
executives, the high-ranking employees in a company. Okay.
yeah.
All right, good. Now use that in a sentence.
Oh, I think all every board of directors have to be uh have to deal with employees.
Oh yeah, yeah. Okay. All board of directors have to deal with employees. There you go. Are you familiar with the executives in your company?
Yes,
Like, do you know who they are?
yeah, I've already mentioned that our office is a little bit small.
Little
It's
small. Uh-huh.
all the count of all is just 25 members,
Hmm.
including executives. So
Hmm.
I know that overall,
Hmm. I see you know all the employees, so you hang out with each of them, huh?
yeah, but I don't like hang out with my coworkers.
Why not? What's
Oh,
wrong?
what?
You don't like to be friends with them?
I mean, I'd rather hang out with my friends, not coworkers.
Ah, your coworkers are not your
Yeah,
friends.
yeah. Business is about the business, right?
I see. Business only, right? Yeah, no
Yeah,
friendship in the workplace. Okay,
yeah.
good. So yeah, that's that. Next one.
Hang out is to live at or frequent a place. Oh, that you what mentioned, right?
Exactly. Yes. Okay, now how about this one? Use this in a sentence.
Mm, I back in the days,
Mm-hmm.
I used to hang out with my friends, but
Mm-hmm.
I can have free time nowadays because of my family.
Because of your family, huh? Is that
Yeah,
true? Or just
yeah,
an example?
yeah. Because I have two child,
Two
son and
children. Uh-huh.
daughter. Yeah.
Oh, how old are they?
Actually, the second one is baby.
Oh,
He was born in September
oh,
this year.
congratulations. Yeah, very
It's
young.
yeah, he's just only 2 months, 3 months old,
Hmm.
years old, a month old, I think.
3 months old. Yeah.
Yeah, the first one
Oh,
is
very young.
daughter.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, she is 4 years
Hmm.
old, international
Hmm.
age.
Hmm.
How about you? Do you have a child?
Nope, not yet. Please, no. I'm not yet ready.
Ah, okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, yeah. I'm not yet ready to have one.
Um,
Yeah, I guess when I'm as experienced as you, right?
mm,
Maybe that's the time I can have kids of my own. Anyway, but still, congratulations to you.
mm,
And yeah, you
thank
have another member of your family this Christmas, right? You have.
you. Yeah.
All right, so yeah, that's that. Anyway, before we end our class, do you have any questions?
Mm, not yet. Have a great
Okay, not yet.
day.
Oh yeah, have a nice evening and good, take care going home. Okay.
Yeah, thanks.
Okay. Bye bye.
Bye.